We're back out here with KJ Productions, and Brandon gonna let me whip the 650. Oh no. Let's give Freddy's bike some love. Ooh. Shit's clean. What's that thing called? What's your bike called?
That's Barna Big Pillin.
Yeah, that. Oh yeah. Oh shit.
Okay, what's gear at? Put it down and put it in gear. This one? No. There, not really. Don't let go, don't let go. Okay, no throttle. Okay. Slowly let that out and let the bike pull you so you can feel it. Let the bike pull you. Feel it. Now, feel the bike go forward. Let it go slowly and it's going to so that's when the throttle is going to catch. Do not let go of the clutch.
That thing's pretty cool. I know how a clutch works, okay?
Okay, listen.
That's just pretty cool. That's not cool? He's over here like he's gonna die. All you gotta do is clutch in.
Blow it.
Where's the brake at? My foot brake.
It's right there.
Oh shit, that would be nice to know.
Don't start stomping on it, because if you pull the brake hard and that bike comes to a stop and you will get turned, it's going to the ground. You're not safe, period. If you will get turned, it's going down. So don't start hitting the brakes. Don't pull the throttle so fucking hard. Throttle control, holy crap. I know, I never even do that. It looks like I'm fucking revving the fuck out of it.
See it now.
See how little it is?
Yo, here at KJ Productions, we only do full sends, alright? So, how you put this down? Yeah. I'm just feeling it.
No, but just like a little bit.
Okay, I'll fix it. I'll do it better.
Try a couple of those, do like that. Slow it out a little bit, and slowly let it out, and let it little fly.
Why is it so sensitive? Oh shit!
Foot brake.
That shit's crazy. It's super sensitive.
I can still see the whiskey throttle. Yeah, I can fucking see it now too. What?
So yeah, definitely, it's
Hey,
super
be careful of the
sensitive
leaf,
for
it's
sure.
slippery.
It is super sensitive. Definitely with the balance, it's a different feel. Dude, I don't know, I want one hella bad.
You need to practice on your little rolling first.
Well, no, it's just I don't know how to bring my feet up yet, so it feels weird. I don't know where they go yet, and I didn't want to look down because I wanted to keep my eyes on the fucking road. But
Look down, go down.
the balance is super fucking easy for going 5 miles an hour.
Hey, you look good, Freddie. You look good.
But yeah, dang.
I'll give it a little slow roll.
I just need some practice. That should be hella fun. Well, I know it wasn't gonna fall because I know how a clutch works.
Bullshit, dude.
Bro, I know how it works.
All you need is that clutch to get away from you when you're off to the race.
No way. The clutch is your safety net.
Yeah, but
Protect it like it's your baby.
You gotta drop it though.
Nah. Not that bad, damn.
Oh god. Pretty fucking so stuck.
If you don't have your center of gravity forward, it tugs you. That's where the whiskey throttle comes in. I felt that for sure. I didn't know how important your center of gravity was.
Oh, yeah.
If it's straight up, you're fucked. I felt that. I was like, oh damn. You definitely got to have your chest over your hips.
Yeah, and it's important to learn how to engine brake too. If you slam the brake, you're done.
Oh yeah. You mean like downshift? Yeah.
Granny can't. Yeah.
Well,
He goes, oh.
I feel like he knows.
Dude, that's hella bright.
I know, it's super fucking bright. Yeah, he definitely knows how a bike works, but just understanding what the clutch purpose is really important.
Look at Captain America. So easy. Oh my god.
Is it easy?
This shit is so easy.
It's such a nice bike. I like it. Miley, I still love you.
How much lighter am I? You gonna
There you go. Oh, he shifted.
He's doing it in neutral. I heard it. He's doing it in neutral.
In a second. Hopefully clutches in.
Right, this is fucking car.
He's gonna get addicted. He's gonna have dreams about this moment.
Please don't try to turn around by driving.
Pro teacher right here. Teaching them the ropes.
Terrible. No one takes this advice to YouTube. I know I'm bad at it.
Yeah, don't post this one.
Tell me what could go wrong. Please tell me what could go wrong. I know these bitches is hoes. They fuck it for sure. They brought a lot of friends and more. Trying to keep it on the low. I can fuck what you know. Please tell me what could go wrong. I know these bitches is hoes. They fuck it for sure. They brought a lot of friends and more. I cannot fuck with you now. All of the pain I've been facing, I feel my nigga appear in this bitch. The studio vibes, they be crazy. When I feel my brother guiding me through these hits. These niggas is lame, they fugazi. They ain't riding for you, oh my god, I won't miss. Real flow money, steppin', you dig that. Nigga play with me and he gon' get his shit split. While you bluffing, you was big cat. All that shit you be talking, you know you ain't. I won't drive by no house, but I will flip your whip. Walk them down and leave a big splash. Face down to the ground, face down like your bitch. They be mad that I'm a big bag. About to take off like a plane or a ship. Tell me what.
At least you know how to U-turn.
Different downshift on this bike.
Huh?
The downshift is way different.
What?
On a bike?
What do you mean?
Downshifting?
Oh, then your car?
It's harder. Yeah. Well, maybe because I'm not used to it. It feels harder to downshift. And actually catch it in that spot. It feels weird. I told you I could ride a bike. What?
Talk to your subscribers.
Yo, subscribers. Legit. It's been 5 minutes. I'm already professional. Give me my license, DMV. This is private property.
Saw it here first.
Saw it here first. Dude, I'm gonna get one. You wait. I'm gonna get one. That shit was fire. Hey, I was getting it. Was I not getting it? I was going in circles, bro. Dude, hey, on some real shit, bikes can be so dangerous, bro. They can be hella dangerous. I felt that. I was like, shit.
I did turn the music on for you.
You should have. I go, pop wheelie. Where they hold the brake and they go, shoot rocks everywhere. I could have done that. But yeah, that shit was crazy.
I saw you stuck in neutral right here.
I know, I overclicked. I was like, aw.
I do it all the time.
No, I'll get it though. Well, I know how a clutch works, so I knew I'd be able to do it. The balance isn't even hard. I thought it'd be harder.
You hit the brake.
It's harder at slower speeds.
It's harder when you hit the brake. Trust me. When you start involving brake in other cars, then you're gonna be like, wow, this thing got really heavy.
That
really
brake
fast.
looks a little out of the way. Like
What?
It looks like you gotta like lift your
The
toe.
foot one?
Yeah. Do you just rest it on
I
it?
hit it really easy. No,
No, yeah, underneath. I put my foot underneath, and then when I need
Oh,
a brake,
do
I pull it over.
Oh, his no, I might be all the time. I have to move my piece.
Yeah. That was crazy. That was fun. I get adrenaline from that, bro. I need one.
Told him, man, once you get on it, you're gonna get addicted.
First time on a bike. Give me the fast one. All right. Well, I might as well wrap it up here and make that one fucking nothing but me riding a motorcycle real quick. All right, all this talk about me driving a motorcycle. Let's see Brandon drive the Stang. All right, this is Miley. Do you know what you're doing?
Yeah.
That one's the clutch.
I know it's on the clutch.
What is?
Hold on, what's on now? It's the brake, motherfucker.
No. You gotta use your left foot for the clutch.
I know.
You know how to do
This
this?
is the brake.
Okay, I believe in you. Make her look good for the video. Yeah. Oh shit. Ah. Do you know where first is?
No, where is it?
It's front left.
Yeah,
Up left.
Here, right?
Yeah, put the clutch in.
Oh, that's deep.
Oh, it's gonna stall Miley, bro. Now I can steal the bike. Oh shit. Where's he going? Where's he going? I gotta protect the bike. Alright, he didn't install it. He did kill my clutch, but it's okay. The clutch got slayed. I don't want to like leave the bike because it's on and then have someone. Oh, he's coming back. He's coming back. I guess now I can wrap the video up. Oh shit. How was it?
It's too stressful, but yeah.
It was stressful, why?
I'm not that great at it.
First time you burned the shit out of it, I was like, oh my clutch is dead. I told you.
I did not realize it was, that's a workout.
Yeah, it's deep.
Way in there, dude.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, it goes more.
Oh yeah. When you turn it on, you gotta put it to the floor. Yeah. Good job, Miley.
I got in third.
Yeah?
Literally, I was in third.
I thought you were gonna go like fast in two and just let go of the gas and let it start popping.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Go to the gas. Clutch in.
But yeah. Well, now I can wrap up the video. Alright guys, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
I took so much pain in this game. I didn't know my pain would hurt my brain. I lost my friend to a bullet in his brain, and all these people play his life like it's a game. It's time, don't you panic. It hurts like I'm abandoned. Grab the 30 automatic, had to leave him where he's standing. I've been on a G-code since teen though. He knows that I know that he knows I'm lethal. I've been up and at it, can't explain how much it's tragic. I've been grinding for my paper, fuck the fame, bro, you can have it. My time I learned to manage, I'm on it just for the baggage. If you smoke, I've had it, especially if you roses and candles. And my love is anxious, you don't trust me, fuck you, you be hating. Your love is hard to handle, and I've been feeling just me. So me, you can't take this. Roses and candles, and my love is so fucked up at a gamble. It's crazy on this damn road, and I've been losing so much friends, oh damn, I can't stand it.